Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we are playing PvP mode, which means we have to kill
I'm blue, bro.
who we can. So
I'm blue. Oh, I just found the most coolest thing ever.
so is it blue versus red?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
I
Crap! There's a red guy. I'm gonna kill him.
I got him.
I've
Oh,
almost
dang
got
it,
him.
I did.
Almost got him.
I just died.
Oh, you died?
Yep.
Are you guess 2-1-2-6? No, you're not. Whoa. We almost have the exact same guess thing. Guess 3683063. Yours is guess
because
36806.
Can I do where I am?
Wait, turn around.
Whoa, is that you? Wait, I'm gonna shoot you.
Shoot me. Okay, yeah, that's you. That's you.
Come follow me.
Whoa. There's a guy. Quick. No, he's attacking. Oh, he just got me.
Crap,
Plasma
I'm
gun.
not
Go! No, avenge me, Jordan.
Oh, it's the dude who made the creator.
What are you doing? Come on, quick!
Crap.
Shoot! Oh man, you just died.
Dang it, I died.
Look at we're the only two people who have died from our team. We're the worst teammates ever. Oh, what's this? Energy shield. Yeah, but I don't. Oh crap! Get away! No! I'm gonna kill you, mate. You think you're so funny? You think you're so. Oh, you killed me. Man, they're so hard.
Die, dude.
They've got like upgrades.
I died.
Yeah, I saw. I just like looked and then I saw you bleeding on the floor. I'm like, oh. By the way, guys, I'm pretty sure this game is PG.
No, I think it was M. No, it was General.
General, I doubt it.
And he was so.
Come on, quick! I need help.
Where are
I need help. At spawn. Yes, that guy. Oh, you killed me, quick! Oh, he killed you too. Man.
Wait, he didn't turn around.
Maybe someone else killed you. Man, I really want to say something, but I can't.
I just saw where the dude was. No,
Damn, PG. Damn, PG, I hate you.
Why? You just had to kill me, dude. I could
3 minutes
just
into
be
the video.
friends. I'm going on the other side of.
Oh, what's this?
Who is that?
Vampire.
Dang it! There's this guy. He's coming in close and back up. Oh, you're getting thrashed by this dude. Did you just die?
Maybe.
I just saw you. Oh crap! I'm gonna have to get.
Come on, Jordan. Avenge me.
Yeah.
Man, oh my gosh, you're going crazy with the gun.
Who?
You. Oh, he got you. Why can I still hear shooting? Where are they?
There.
That's them, right? Oh, I got a
That's you, I think. I'm coming back in. I see him. Where's my...
Just wait.
Crap, what is this? I got the I captured the I'm gonna capture the flag, okay? Cover me. Dang it.
You're going in?
Yep, I'm going in.
Me too.
I need some help.
Look, John.
Dang it, I died. You're gonna have to do it alone, man.
I don't know where it is though.
Of course, I know what it looks like though. I've captured one before. I'm going the wrong way.
I'm shooting a guy from a long distance.
Is this...
I'm pretty sure he's dying.
Crap, you just died.
Oh my gosh. Just died.
Die, dude. I'm shooting you 1,000 times.
Oh, that guy. Is that guy killing his own people?
Who?
I'm pretty sure the guy who killed me just killed one of our own guys.
Me. He just killed
No.
me.
Crap, Red are winning.
Gee, Red are smashing us.
No, they're not. It's 2
I
to
don't
3.
What is that?
Crap, I got shot from behind. Man, capturing the flag is so hard. I don't care about whatever that.
I wish you could jump in this game. Wait. I know where the crystal is.
About 6 minutes into the game. Ooh. This might be useful.
Dang it, there's these 1,000 people out here. Crap.
Damn
Going
it.
out. Gonna need some help out here. Is this you? I just saw you. Cool. Hi, dude. Who is
What are you doing?
It's a game called Capture the Flag. It's
Ow,
like Star Warfare 2.
Ow, I've been
And
poisoned.
you're both online.
Yeah.
And you're not talking to people, are you?
No, you can't talk in this game. Good thing. Crap, I'm getting shot at. I'm just shooting randomly.
Oh, man, I just got shot.
I just died because I kept on shooting everywhere. I don't care what I
Anyway,
shot.
guys, if you didn't hear, Dad actually just whispered in my ear saying sorry. So, it's all good. All good.
What? Did I get hit?
Oh my gosh.
Did I lose?
No, we lost. Dumb. I was second though.
So close to leveling up.
Level.
Oh, you're in free in front of me. Because he started before me.
Yeah, like 5 milliseconds before you, yeah.
Yeah. What?
Man, I feel like they
29 seconds. I'm not waiting.
go.
What team
Go,
are
just
you
click
on?
go. Oh,
That's
we're
what I
red,
did.
we're red.
I'm red. Oh man.
Oh crap, the blue are invading. And I'm dead.
I ain't.
I was the
I'm
first
running
dude
like
to die.
a scared pig. Hey
Catch- Jordan, come with me so we can find out where this flag is.
you. I don't even know where you are.
Jordan, stop it. Just click the...
Repo.
No, okay. Yeah, do it quick. Okay, you see me? Okay, so take me to the flag.
Come with me. Go,
Quick.
go, just run.
I'm so scared.
Crap, I'm being assaulted.
You died. I just watched you getting pinned by
I
a
just
blue
saw
line.
you die.
Yeah, I know. No, we don't have enough mithril.
I have. You want me to click?
Yeah, not worth it.
I'm going.
Okay, whoa, wait. Where are you? Oh, dead. Oh crap, I'm getting shot. Who's shooting me? Who's shooting me? Oh, he's up here.
I'm going. I'm getting a flag. Crap, I'm gonna have to...
Where am I getting shot from? Oh, that guy. Right, I should start looking at the map.
Die, dude.
Wait, look at the map so you know where they are.
I just died.
Okay, at least we're gonna spawn in the same place.
Man, they're
I'll wait at
flashing
spawn, you
us.
take me to the flag.
I have 7 seconds.
Okay, I'm dead. What? It's hard.
What is this?
Stay at spawn.
Is this what I think it is?
5,
sake.
4, 3,
Die, you
2,
crazy little
1, 0. Where are you?
dead. Don't die, dude.
I'm waiting at spawn for you, but this guy is shooting me. Quick, move, 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 move. I see you, I see you.
Getting out of cover.
Okay, you're dead. Nah, I saw you die. Have you killed anyone yet?
I killed 2. Is that you?
What?
I just saw you die because you were straight in my spawn point. That's where I died.
John,
and
wait.
What
Gosh.
the heck is that?
I need to
Some
get...
sort of machine?
I need to get to you, so stop. Oh, such a non-team player. You died, didn't you?
Yep, you died too.
No, I didn't.
Ah, dang it. I leveled up.
Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys again later for another video. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. And yeah, goodbye.
Bye.
Also, giving a shout out to Ford lovers. Okay, 3 Ford lovers forever. Just because he asked me for one, and I've already given him one, so I'm just gonna give him a little one. So yeah, see you guys again later. Bye.